go surfing, guys. Never done it before, so let's break a leg, not get eaten by sharks.
Little taste of what it's like to go to a game at the World Cup. Here we go.
Belgium pulling out the 1-0 victory. Let's give it a shot.
Let's leave it up to the pros. Yeah. We're basketball players. That was silly. Look at this.
This is how we shake hands in Brazil. Basically, it's a high five, fist bump.
That's
it.
It's a Brazilian
handshake.
Oh! Okay. Hey, that way nobody's confused, everybody's on the same page, and you can't mess that up. Let me show you the American handshake that we like to do around here. Start out, you grab both sides of the head, forehead, face. Have a good one.
Good stuff right there.
How's that, okay? Try it on me now. How's it going? Hey, come on now. Golly, what were you doing?
I'm Sian Janye.
Give him our signature sign off.
Yeah.
Funding.
Nice.
Yeah. Nugget.
Oh,